A very good morning, dear students. In the previous class, we were discussing about the protecting of our environment. That we saw the meaning of environment and types of pollutions, which are going to be harmful for our environment. So let us recall once again the types of pollution. Next, we will see about waste management topic. So to recall about the types of pollutions, we have four types generally. One is air pollution, and the next is water pollution, and the other one is noise pollution. So now let us recall about air pollution. So what does the air pollution means? The meaning air pollution. Once the air get polluted, the fresh air which we going to breathe, which going to be polluted, which been polluted, we say that air pollution. The air has been got contaminated. Due to what? Due to mixture of dust, smoke, harmful gases, and other poisonous gases which are mixed with the air. And coming to the air pollution causes, by this what happens? We would be having the problem like asthma, cough, and skin allergies due to what? Bad air conditions. Okay. Next, due to this, what and all happens? What causes that is occurs is one is due to this. What happens when the air gets polluted? Why happens? Because the air gets polluted? The reason is when the smoke releases from the factories and the vehicles, when the manufacturing industry is going to release the products what and all they're going to manufacture, the extract of gases which released out from the chimneys is going to be what released out to the open air. So this leads to the air gets polluted. Next, burning of fossil fuels and wood, bursting of firecrackers, cutting down of trees and deforestations, natural causes like volcanic eruption, forest fire, sandstorm, and pollen from the flowers. That is the bad smell from the flowers due to volcanic eruption, forest fire, when the fire caught in the fire in the forest areas, and cutting down of trees. Even the cutting down of trees is not, when the trees have been more, they absorb the carbon dioxide and it's going to be produces the oxygen for the human life. When the deforestation occurs, obviously the oxygen level will be decreased and the increase in carbon dioxide is going to be high. This leads to the what? Air pollution. So these are all the reasons for the air pollution. So next is, dear students, the water pollution. Like how the air is very essential for the mankind, even the water is very essential for the man to survive. So when these water gets polluted, water will be provided, will be getting to us in various sources like what? Rivers, lakes, ponds, oceans, and what else? Wells. But ocean's water we cannot have as it is a salty water, and the water which is of for the drinking purpose, that are also day by day is getting contaminated, like the water which is been getting from the rivers and the lakes. So how it is being caused water pollution? So it is harmful for the plants and the animals also, and even the human beings when we drink the polluted water. So it also becomes a source of waterborne diseases. Like when we consume the such contaminated or the polluted water, that is dirty water, we will get the cholera, typhoid, and jaundice. These are the diseases going to be occur due to what? When we drink the dirty water or the water which is being polluted. Next, causes. How this water gets polluted, they are asking. They are given here: dumping of garbage, domestic household wastage, sewage, domestic sewage, that is household drainage waters, and the festival waste in the water. But during the festivals, we use many kinds of flower garlands to the god and some pujas items. All will be thrown when the rallies gets over. All the things which we were put in for the on the god, that will be thrown in the get will be thrown away in the into the rivers, other lakes, isn't it? So this creates what? It creates harmful for the, not only for us which we are going to drink that, even the lives which are there in the creatures which are there in the rivers, lakes also gets harmful.